stained glass, all boarded eyes. Wind drags papers down the line. Neon hums like a tired prayer. I count the cracks to prove I'm there. Concrete echoes every step. Shadows gather where you left. Your name hangs cold in the winter steam, on my tongue, on the edge of a scream. In this cathedral of the empty streets, I raise my heart like a broken creed. You were the fire in the frozen rain. Now I'm singing into the rust and chain. I won't bow down to the dark I bleed. I carve your loss in the stone of me. In this cathedral of the empty streets, I stand alone and I don't concede. Traffic light, a hanging crown, blinking judgment on this town. Billboards stare with their painted bliss. I'll walk right through what I used to miss. Every doorway holds a ghost. Every silence speaks the most. If this city wants to drink me dry, you can taste the iron in my reply. In this cathedral of the empty streets, I raise my heart like a broken creed. You were the fire in the frozen rain. Now I'm singing to the rust and chain. I won't bow down to the dark I bleed. I carve your loss in the stone of me. In this cathedral of the empty streets, I stand alone and I don't concede. Your voice in the siren's cry rips through the smoke-choked sky. If grief is a jealous throne, I'll burn my way back home. In this cathedral of the empty streets, I raise my heart like a broken creed. You were the fire in the frozen rain. Now I'm singing